Hello aspirants, welcome to Jobs and Education. This is your Mahesh Dole. Do subscribe and share the videos. In this video, I am providing you all the formulas of fluid mechanics for GATE exam, UPSC exams, engineering services exams and public sector undertaking exams. So all the formulas of fluid mechanics in one video. Fundamental fluid properties. In that first one is density, that is equals to mass per volume. Specific weight gamma equals to rho g. Specific gravity, that is rho fluid by rho water, that is nothing but density of fluid to the density of water. Newton's law of viscosity, tau equals to mu into du by dy. Tau is shear stress, mu is dynamic viscosity, du by dy is velocity gradient. Here a question is provided based on specific gravity and density. So a liquid has a specific gravity of 0.8. What is its density in kg per meter cube if the density of water is 1000 kg per meter cube? So we know that specific gravity is equals to density of fluid by density of water. Here density of water given, specific gravity given. If we cross multiply specific gravity into density of water is equals to the density of the fluid. It means given that 0.8 is specific gravity, 1000 kg per meter cube is density of water. So if we multiply these two, we will get 0.8 into 1000, that is equals to 800. Hence C is the correct answer. Next is fluid statics. So in that hydrostatic pressure is P equals to atmospheric pressure plus rho gh. Buoyant force equals to rho fluid g into V displaced. So means rho gv. Total hydrostatic force on a submerged plane is F equals to rho gh into area. The question based on Archimedes principle. So according to Archimedes principle, the buoyant force on an object is equal to. So the correct option is the weight of the fluid displaced by the object. This question reads, an object weighs 10 Newton in air and 7 Newton when submerged in water. What is the buoyant force? So a object weighs 10 Newton in air and 7 Newton in submerged water means, so we have buoyant force equals to weight in air minus apparent weight in fluid. It means what? 10 Newton minus 7 Newton, that is equals to 3 Newton is the answer. Hence option D is the correct. Next one, fluid dynamics conservation laws. So continuity equation is based on conservation of mass. A1 V1 equals to A2 V2, that is Q. Bernoulli's equation, conservation of energy. P1 plus half rho V1 square plus rho G Z1 equals to P2 plus half rho V2 square plus rho G Z2. It means A1 V1 equals to A2 V2 is continuity equation. This P1 plus half rho V square plus rho G Z is Bernoulli's equation. So the question is based on continuity equation. The continuity equation is mathematical expression of which fundamental physical law? Just now we have seen that conservation of mass. So continuity equation based on conservation of mass. Bernoulli's equation based on conservation of energy. Here some of the flow characterization and pipe flow. So Reynolds number determines if flow is laminar when it is less than 2000. If it is turbulent, it is greater than 4000. So understanding the ratio of inertial forces to the viscous forces is nothing but your Reynolds number. So formula is R equals to rho Vd by mu. So what are the units of Reynolds number? So this is very important because Reynolds number is a dimensionless number. Option A is correct. In this question, in a internal pipe flow, a Reynolds number of 1500 generally indicates which type of flow. Just now we have seen that if it is less than 2000, it is laminar flow. If it is more than 2000, that is turbulent flow. We know Reynolds number determines if flow is laminar, it is less than 2000. If it is turbulent, greater than 4000. There are 5 dimensionless parameters are there. Reynolds number, Froude's number, Mach number, pressure coefficient and Weber number. These are very important. We can expect in the examination. First one, pressure coefficient. It is nothing but the ratio of pressure to the dynamic pressure. So that is equals to V square by 2G. Next, Reynolds number. This is equals to the ratio of inertial force to the viscous force, rho Vd by mu. Froude number. This is the ratio of dynamic force to the weight, V square by Gl. Weber number. This is the ratio of inertial force to the surface tension force. So it is equals to V square Lp by sigma. Mach number. This is equals to V by under root of K by P. It is the measure of ratio of inertial forces to the elastic forces. K is bulk modulus of elasticity. Darcy-Weisbach equation. It is nothing but head loss. Hf equals to F Lv square by 2Gd. F is friction factor. Hagen-Poiseuille equation. It is for only laminar flow. But Darcy-Weisbach equation is for laminar as well as turbulent flow. The Darcy-Weisbach equation is applicable for both laminar and turbulent flow. For laminar flow, Reynolds number is less than 2000. The Darcy friction factor F is calculated as, for laminar flow it is 64 by Re. So these are the very important equations. One is continuity equation, A1 V1 equals to A2 V2. Bernoulli's equation, V1 square by 2G plus P1 by rho G plus H1 equals to V2 square by 2G plus P2 by rho G plus H2. Next is Darcy-Weisbach formula, that is Hf equals to FLV square by 2GD. Civil engineering specialized formulas are Manning's equation, that is for open channel flow, V equals to 1 by N, RH power 2 by 3, S power 1 by 2. S is the slope of the channel, RH is a hydraulic radius, N is Manning's roughness coefficient. Mechanical engineering specialized formulas like pump and turbine powers, Mach number, etc. Discharge through venturimeter. In this diagram we can observe venturimeter. So Q equals to CD A2 V2, that is equals to CD into under root of 2GH into A1 A2 by under root of A1 square minus A2 square. Very important formula. What is water hammer? This question was there in many times in the exam. So water hammer is caused due to the sudden stoppage of water. It means the pressure. Rise of pressure P equals to V by under root of G by W into 1 by K plus D by T into capital E. Flow through orifice. Here we can see the diagram of orifice. So the formula for orifice mass flow is CD into A under root of 2G gamma by gamma minus 1 P1 rho 1 N square 1 minus N power gamma minus 1 by gamma. Stokes law. This is very important. Force resisting the motion of a sphere through a viscous fluid. Fp equals to 3 pi mu Vd. End of the video. Do subscribe to the Jobs and Education. Like this video and share this video to all the mechanical and civil engineering GATE aspirants.